Hi! Welcome to our channel. Our lesson for today is all about PMDAS or GMDAS rule. Now, what does PMDAS or GMDAS rule means? Given two or more operations in a single expression, the order of the letters in PMDAS or GMDAS tells you what to calculate first, second, third, and so on until the calculation is complete. So meaning, we're going to follow the letters on the PMDAS or GMDAS rule para malaman natin kung ano ba dapat na operation ang unahin natin sa isang given expression kapag ang operation doon ay more than one. In PMDAS or GMDAS, P stands for parenthesis. Or yung iba kasi, kaya meron tayong GMDAS, they are using the term grouping instead of parenthesis. Pero same thought lang naman yun. So as you can see, meron tayong parenthesis, merong brackets, and then braces. So meaning, since letter P or G, yung umpisang letter natin, we're going to calculate first the expression inside the parenthesis. So kahit anong operation ang involved sa loob ng parenthesis, we're going to solve that first. Kasi nga, yun yung first letter. Now, after na nating ma-solve yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, we can now remove the parenthesis. And then after that, we're going to proceed to the next letter, which is letter M. And M stands for multiply. So kung ang given expression ay merong operation na multiplication, so that is the next thing that we need to solve. Next letter is letter D, and it stands for division or divide. So meaning, yun naman yung kasunod na operation na gagamitin natin kung may division na operation sa given expression. Okay? Next is letter A for add. So meaning, we're going to add kung meron namang addition na operation sa given expression. And then lastly, we have letter S for subtract. So magsusubtract naman tayo. So, pinaka-last natin na gagawin ay subtraction. Sometimes, sa isang given expression, hindi lahat ng operation ay meron. Okay? So, as long as alam natin kung ano ba dapat yung maunang operation na dapat i-solve, kayang-kaya na natin mag-solve ng isang given expression with more than one operation. Let's try some examples. First one, 4 times parenthesis 8 minus 3. So following the PMDAS rule, we're going to solve the parenthesis first. So tulad na sinabi ko kanina, kahit anong operation sa loob ng parenthesis, yun pa rin ang uunahin nating i-solve since nasa parenthesis nga siya. And P kasi yung pinakang unang letter si PMDAS. Now, 8 minus 3 equals... Okay, so it's 5. Very good. So, yun namang hindi natin sinolve kanina, i-rewrite lang natin. So, that is 4 times. So, we have now 4 times 5. At wala na tayong ibang operation, kaya ito na yung isa-solve natin ngayon. 4 times 5 equals... Okay, so it's 20. Very good. Therefore, the result is 20. Next example is open parenthesis 67 minus 18 close plus 7 times 3. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to solve the operation inside the parenthesis first, which is 67 minus 18. 67 minus 18 equals... Okay, so it's 49. Very good. Now, so, kinopy lang natin yung plus 7 times 3 since hindi pa natin siya ginagalaw kanina. And then, after ng P or ng parenthesis, the next letter is M, which stands for multiply. So, ang susunod naman natin na gagawin ay mag-multiply tayo dahil may multiplication na operation dito sa ating given expression. And that is 7 times 3, which is equal to, okay, so it's 21. Nire-write lang din naman natin ngayon ang 49 dahil hindi naman siya kasama sa pag-solve kanina. Okay, so now, since we're done at the last operation, syempre, ito na yung isa-solve natin, which is 49 plus 21, which is equal to, okay, very good, that's equal to 70. In studying PMDAS or GMDAS rule, we have some important notes. First, in a particular simplification, if you have both multiplication and division, do the operations one by one in the order from left to right. Multiplication does not always come before division. So meaning, kapag nauna ang division sa given expression, yun ang uunahin nating isolve bago mag-multiplication from left to right. Okay? Another one, in a particular simplification, if you have both addition and subtraction, do the operations one by one in the order from left to right. Addition does not always come before subtraction. Same case lang din ng multiplication and division kanina. Kapag subtraction ang mauunang operation sa isang given expression from left, siya yung uunahin natin i-solve. Okay? So, as long as hindi mauuna ang subtraction sa multiplication or division, pwede siyang mauna sa addition kung siya yung nasa una dun sa isang given expression, pero hindi natin siya uunahin kung may multiplication or division. Uunahin pa rin natin ang multiplication or division. Pwede lang mag-interchange ang multiplication or division and then addition and subtraction. Okay? For example, 18 divided by 2 times 3. So, ang uunahin natin dyan, 18 divided by 2 since division ang nauna from left bago mag-multiplication. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. And then, rewrite lang natin ang times 3. And then after that, 9 times 3 equals, okay, so it's 27. Very good. Another example, 16 minus 3 plus 6. So as you can see, nauna ang subtraction bago mag-addition. So uunahin natin ang 16 minus 3. 16 minus 3 equals 13. And then, rewrite lang ang plus 6. Now, we have 13 plus 6 equals, okay, so it's 19. Very good. To have a better understanding on PMDAS or GMDAS rule, let us look at some practice problems. Problem number 1. 6 plus 7 times 8. So what do you think? Ano ang dapat nating unahin? Okay, so we need to do multiplication first. 7 times 8 equals 56. And then now, we're going to add. 6 plus 56 equals 62. The result is 62. Problem number 2. Parenthesis 25 plus 11 times 2. So, ano dapat nating unahin? Parenthesis. And that is 25 plus 11, which is equal to 36. So we can now remove the parentheses. Next is multiplication. So that is 36 times 2, which is equal to 72. The result is 72. Problem number 3. 3 plus 6 times open parenthesis 5 plus 4 close divided by 3 minus 7. So we need to solve the numbers inside the parenthesis first. So that is 5 plus 4 equals 9. So i-remove na ang parenthesis, and then yung ibang numbers and operations, rewrite lang. Next is multiply. We have 6 times 9 equals 54. Another one, divide. 54 divided by 3 equals 18. Next is add. So dahil nauna ang add, bago mag-subtract, mag-a-add muna tayo. 3 plus 18 equals 21. And then for the last operation, subtraction. 21 minus 7 equals 14. So the result is 14. Next, open parenthesis 96 divided by 12 close plus 14 times open parenthesis 12 plus 8 close divided by 2. So as you can see, dalawa ang given na may parenthesis. So pwede natin silang isolve ng sabay. Okay? So pareho natin isosolve yan, 96 divided by 12 and 12 plus 8. Okay, so equals 8, and then yung isa, yung 12 plus 8 equals 20. Now, next one, we're going to multiply. So we have 14 times 20 equals 280. So dahil nauna ang multiplication from left to right, siya yung inuna nating isolve bago ang division. So ngayon, magde-divide naman tayo. 280 divided by 2 equals 140. And now, last operation is addition. 8 plus 140 equals 148. Okay, next one. 6 times open bracket, open parenthesis, 16 minus 4, close parenthesis, divided by open parenthesis 2 plus 2, close parenthesis, and close bracket, minus 2. So, kung narinig nyo kanina yung operation na binanggit ko, right after ng 6 ay multiplication. So, kapag walang nakalagay na operation, pero ang katabi ng number ay parenthesis, the operation involved is multiplication. Okay? So, syempre, if-follow pa rin natin ang PMDAS rule, ang uunahin natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. 16 minus 4 at 2 plus 2. So, the answer on 16 minus 4 is 12, and then yung 2 plus 2 naman ay 4. Okay. So, dahil na-solve na natin ang nasa loob ng parenthesis, mariremove na ang bracket at mapapalitan siya ng parenthesis na. So, ngayon dahil may parenthesis pa tayo, yun yung susunod natin na gagawin. So, 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Now, so tulad na sinabi ko, walang operation na nakasulat pero may parenthesis. So, ano siya? Multiplication. At dahil isang number lang naman yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, wala naman tayong ibang gagawin dyan. Hindi katulad ng 12 divided by 4, so may operation which is division. So, dito dahil 3 lang ang nasa loob ng parenthesis at ang katabi niya ay 6, we're going to multiply them. So, we have a 6 times 3 equals 18. And then now, we're going to subtract. 18 minus 2 equals 16. Okay, now so let's have some assessments. Pero bago yon, meron akong additional information. Kapag ang isang given expression ay merong parenthesis at sa loob ng parenthesis na yon ay merong more than one operation, susundin pa rin natin ang PMDAS rule. So, kailangan nating unahin ang operation na dapat mauna. Okay? So now, I want you to get a piece of paper and pen para makapag-umpisa na tayo sa ating mga assessments. Okay, so first activity, identify the first operation you should apply on the given expression. You're not going to solve the given expression, instead, i-identify nyo lang kung ano bang operation yung dapat ninyong unahin. Okay, you ready? Number 1. 4 plus 3 divided by 5 minus 6. For number 2, 4 times 3 divided by 10 plus 9. Number 3, open parenthesis 7 plus 18, close, times 3. Number 4, 36 minus 2 plus 10. Number 5, 55 divided by 11 plus 12 times 9. And number 6, 2 plus 13 minus 7. Let us now check. For number 1, the answer is division. Number 2, it's multiplication. Number 3, parenthesis. Number 4, subtraction. Number 5, division. And number 6, addition. What is your score? Very good. Another one, evaluate the given expression by using the PMDAS or GMDAS rule. So ngayon naman, isosolve nyo ang bawat given expression by following the PMDAS or GMDAS rule. Maaari ninyong i-pause ang video sa bawat given para may time kayo upang magsagot. Why is PMDAS or GMDAS important? Without PMDAS or GMDAS rule, there are no guidelines to obtain only one correct answer. For example, to calculate 2 times 4 plus 7, I could multiply first and then add and get 15. On the other hand, I also have the option to add first, then multiply and get 22. Which answer is correct? Using the PMDAS or GMDAS rule, the only correct answer is 15. Why? Because the order of the letters in the PMDAS or GMDAS tells me that multiplication or M should be performed before addition. That's all for today. Thank you!